January 21st, 2021 Daily Math Review number 1. Katie's swim team is having an end-of-the-year pizza party. When the party started, there were 100 slices of pizza. Now there are 30 slices left. Which of the following show how much of the pizza has been eaten? Select 3 that apply. So we need to figure out how much has been eaten. So we started with 100. Now there's only 30 left. So if we take that 100 and we subtract 30, because that's how many are left, it'll tell us how many has been eaten. So if we subtract here, we get 70. So 70 have been eaten. Now we need to select 3 that apply. Choose 3. So 70 is going to be, 70% is going to be one of them, because we have 70 out of the 100 slices have been eaten. So 70 out of the 100. Oh, here's another one. That also means 70%. And that's also equal to 0.7 or 0.70, or you can say it as 0 7/10 or 0 7/70. So our answers here are going to be B, D, and E. And that's going to be it for your DMR number 1. Great job!